Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. So after so many years of talking about getting my brows microbladed, I'm finally going to get them done and I'm super excited. And guess what? You guys are coming with me. So first of all, I went to a place in Spentex called Brows by Prince because you guys, I've been doing my research. Okay, I didn't want to go to a place where they would do my brows and they were looking like, you know, left to right or whatever. I wanted something that would suit my face as well as, you know, suit the natural shape that I usually draw. So I finally found this guy and I was just like, let me go check him out. So he started by drawing some shapes on my brows, and then after that he numbed my brows to make sure that it was perfect. To be honest, I didn't expect to feel any pain at all because of the numbing cream, but there was definitely some pain. I'm not gonna lie, I felt it. Your girl felt it. If you follow me on TikTok, then you've probably already seen this vlog, but if you don't, then go follow me on TikTok at Samira. The whole thing came up to 1,000 Ghana cedis, which if you ask me is not cheap, to be honest. However, the reason why I still went ahead with it was the fact that I knew I was going to get the shape I want, and secondly, if the thing is going to last for about 3 years, then it's definitely worth it. I do have to go back for a retouch, which is also 600, which means the whole thing is actually 1,600. You guys, I'm done. What do you think? I feel like this place is too tiny, but aside that, what do you think? I'm not sure, you guys. Maybe it's just because it's still new. Let's see. What do you think? So from there, I stopped by China Mall, which is literally right on the way. And you guys, I got a lot of compliments for my brows, which made me feel like, okay, maybe I'm just exaggerating and that it's probably looking cuter than I think. You guys, I just made a quick stop at Just Chinese. I'm going to get something quickly and then I'll go back to the house. So this is my brows. Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys the whole thing in the morning, but how do you guys like it? I'm not sure about how I feel. You guys know that I have this thing where I don't usually like something until after a couple of days, but the whole thing was very smooth. I chose this place because I like the way their shapes are a bit dramatic, and I think this is a bit dramatic as well. It doesn't look as natural, but then again, it's gonna fade. So they told me that, sorry, I'm about to take a shower, so the pump is a bit loud. But anyway, they told me not to use water on my brows for like 5 days. So for the next 5 days, all I'm supposed to do is just use what's it called? For the next 5 days, all I'm supposed to do is just use wipes on it and then use Vaseline on it as well. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I don't know how I'm gonna do my skincare without, you know, washing my face, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, I'm gonna shower now and I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow and tell you guys all about today, I guess. So see you. Good morning, guys. I hope you're doing well. So I was supposed to update you guys as soon as I woke up, but I had a lot going on. Anyway, we finished bathing, we've eating. That's Riley in the background and she's watching cartoons. And this is my brows. Do we like it or not? I'm not sure, you guys. I'm not sure. But do we like it? Let's see. Anyway, so yesterday I passed by China Mall when I was done. And to be honest, you guys, it felt like I just wasted my money on unnecessary stuff. So I didn't want to show you guys. I literally bought 500 cedis worth of things that I think were completely unnecessary. Like, why did I do that? But I'll still show you guys what I bought, or some of the things I bought. I don't know what the rest of them are. I washed some of the containers and everything. I'll probably take you through the day. I think today I'm going to film some content. My nanny is going somewhere next week, so I need to prep as much as I can. Also, I'm doing this 30-day Pinterest challenge thing on Instagram, and I'm already getting anxiety, but I'm excited about it as well. So let's see how that goes. But in the meantime, let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so I got this. It's supposed to be like a storage bowl, but I feel like you could just like wash your fruits in it as well. So I got that, and I got this set of small bowls that I might be able to use for Riley. But now that I think about it, we have so many, so it's kind of unnecessary. And then I got these, you guys. This I'm not even sure. It looks like I'm going to put lotion in it or something. I'm not sure, but I bought them and I felt like I should have got, like, they had like longer ones. I think I could have put seasoning in it, so I regret buying this instead. Then I got these. Oh my god, this is like one of the best things I got, to be honest, right? We have one already, but I just like the fact that this came as a set, and I think it was about 30 cedis. Was it 30? No, maybe 12. I'm not sure. I have to look at the receipt. But I liked it because I think I like it because as 2, and we can just put like olive oil or whatever oil in one, and then put the regular sunflower oil in the other. So I definitely did that. But the best thing I got was probably this one. So you know how they have like oil in, like the oil, they put oil in the spray and spray bottle and everything. So this is like a spray bottle for oil. So you just put your oil in it and you spray it out. I really like this one, not gonna lie. I think this is probably the best thing I bought, because you know, sometimes you don't want to spend on the oil thing. You can just buy this and then refill it. So I definitely got that as well. I think I got a couple of things too, but I just don't know where they are right now. I'm very sure we have one of this in the house, but I got it again because I was like, oh, this is so cute. I might be able to use it. So I definitely got it. And those are Riley's fingers. Riley, say hi. Riley. Riley, say hi. Don't put it in your mouth. Riley. Riley, say hi.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close, ranging from
I'm so happy
to made of people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view.
Hey guys, so I've decided to walk for all my runs today, and I'm so close to tears now because I'm so tired. Jesus, this is when the walk can become this difficult. Anyway, I'm gonna stop by the baby shop, and then I heard that there's this Asian little place close to my place that I've never been to, so I'm gonna pass by that place and see how good their noodles is. And you guys are coming with me. See ya. I didn't have anything I want, so the walk continues. I'm walking for about 14 minutes to where I'm going to. I've been walking for a while now, so it feels so wrong to be walking on these streets because people are looking at me like crazy, you know. And I get it. I'm a fine babe, you know. I'm using you guys to cover up my shyness as well, because life goes on. Anyway, apparently the name of the place is Asian Noodle Garden. I've seen a couple of people eat from there, and then just recently I was like, now I saw Renee eat from there again, and I'm like, Jesus, I have to go here. Like, I've been putting it off for too long. So I'm walking there, and my legs and my arms are hurting, but I'm still gonna walk. You know why? Because I've been so lazy, you guys. I stay in the room all the time, and lately my clothes don't fit. Lately my clothes do not fit. Okay, so I might as well just walk and get in some exercise, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. This food better be worth it, otherwise I'm gonna cry. I saw a post about the Baobab Daddy, and I was excited about going to get some because, you know, why not? But I didn't realize that they had closed. No, actually that's not true. I've been seeing posts about it, right? The day I finally decided I was gonna go check it out, I checked out their Instagram page. Yo! I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So I got right to the place, thank God, because it was actually far. And once we got there, the place was very beautiful, very quiet and serene. But unfortunately, there were so many lizards, and I'm afraid of lizards, so that scared me a bit. So this is their menu. Everything looked a bit affordable. It was really cool. So I ordered the dumpling. I ordered taboki, which is Korean rice cake. Yes, you're called Korea. And then a bunch of other noodles. Unfortunately, I had to return the dumpling. You guys, so this is the noodles. I think this one is the... This is a spicy lamb. And this is the Szechuan spicy one. And they both look so good. Oh my god. But it's a lot. You guys, so I got rice cake because Koreans are always showing rice cake. So I got it. I actually got a lot of things, like a lot of different things. And I was hoping they'll bring them out one by one. But unfortunately, they brought everything together, which means I have to eat it. This better be worth it. First, we go with the rice cake. This thing better be nice. If not, I'll be pissed, man. You guys, that's Korea. Going to South Korea now. It must happen because this rice cake is so good. It's hot as I keep doing it. The texture is amazing. It's sticky but not sticky enough that it sticks in your teeth. And it kind of just melts in your mouth. I love it. It's very cloudy, so if it looks like it's dark, that's why. But it's time for the dumplings. You guys, this is the dumpling. I'm so excited. And by the way, I finished the other one. This was half and it was a lot. I wanted the bold one, I didn't want the fried ones, but now I'm not sure. It's so hard. To be honest, I didn't like the dumpling on the first day. I was just like, is this okay? But I left it in my fridge for 2 days and I warmed it up and ate it. And let me just tell you that it was the best dumpling I've ever had. Listen, I don't even know why it tasted better when I left it in my fridge. Like, it was so good after a couple of days. So keep that in mind. But I do want to try the steamed ones just to see which one is better. So this is the best I could with my camera angle, but this is what I'm wearing. What do you guys think? I think it's very on point and like in sync and in theme. I've worn this on my channel before, on my Instagram before, but it's the only pink thing I could find right now. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm wondering if I should go with this, so it should be like a red and pink themed, or just go with like a pink whatever, because then that would just be like pink, you know. I think a bit of red will make it nice. Let's try it on first.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Unfortunately, by the time I got there, most of them were already done. They were about to close, but they still made time for me to paint. It happens at Vida E Cafe every Saturday. It's a sip and paint, Jojo sip and paint. And it's actually fun, you guys. I had so much fun. But this is basically what I do. So first they give me something to choose from, and eventually I do something. I'll show you in a bit, and don't laugh, okay? Respect yourself. Look, oh wow. I'm taking videos of people who are painting because you all are not playing, man. Let me take a video of yours. Oh, thank you. People will not see mine. Okay, in my defense, I'm not done, okay? As you can see that, I was too late. That's why.